Hello students, in the last class we have seen the organs of digestive system. We have learned the different organs that constitute digestive system. Now we learn what happens to the food when we take it inside. So the food is broken down into pieces with the help of teeth. So how the teeth works? What is the function of teeth? Then we have learned that the different types of teeth. There are different types of teeth that perform different functions in the mouth. So let us see the arrangement of teeth and different types of teeth. How it breaks the food particles inside the mouth. So let us see that. Yes. Now this is the structure of the different types of teeth inside our mouth. See, can you see? These are the incisors, the front four teeth. The front four teeth are called incisors. Front four teeth in the upper jaw and the front four teeth in the lower jaw. See, these are the four teeth. They are called incisors. And on either side of the incisors are canines. See, on either side of the incisors, one canine teeth here, one canine teeth here. The same way here, canine. This is also a canine, one pair in upper jaw and in the lower jaw, and to the side of besides that it's premolar, two premolars on either side of the canines, two premolars. So that is 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw, premolar, incisor, canine and premolars. Now to the next of premolars are molars. There are three pairs. Now 3 on each side of the lower jaw and upper jaw. See, these are the premolars. Molar. These 3 pairs are called molars. And now what are these? What are the functions of these different types of teeth? Incisors help in cutting and biting the food particles. Incisors on both upper and lower jaw helps in cutting and biting the food particles. And the next, canines. Incisors. Canines are used to pierce and tear the food. Usually wild animals have the sharp, long canine teeth. You have seen tiger, lions and wild animals. They have canines, sharp front teeth. So these canines help in piercing and tearing the food particles. And this premolars help in chewing and grinding the teeth. And also the molars, the last two, they also help in grinding and crushing the teeth, and grinding the food particles. So these are the different types of teeth performing different functions. Now children, do you know some of the tooth, in some people they have tooth decay, so we get a lot of pain. So this is the tooth decay. You can see the tooth decay in the tooth. This is more painful. So why is it caused? So what happens? Now normally bacteria are present in our mouth, but they are not harmful to us. However, whatever food particles we take inside, it gets collected in between the teeth. If we do not clean our teeth and mouth after eating, many harmful bacteria also begin to live and grow in it. These bacteria break down the sugar. So the food particles are converted into sugar. When we grind it in the mouth, the bacteria break down the sugars present from the leftover food and release acids. They act on the food particles and release acids. These acids gradually damage the teeth. These are the causes. Acids cause the tooth decay. So, and this is called tooth decay. If it is not treated in time, it causes severe toothache. Like this. and that is why chocolates, sweets, soft drinks and other sugar products are the major reasons of tooth decay. We consume, if we consume all these in more quantity, it causes tooth decay. Therefore, one should see these are the stages which are not painful here. When, see, this stage is more painful. See, this is, you can see the red color here, and this is when the nerves, when the food particles, the tooth decay touches the nerves. There are nerves inside the root of the teeth. Yeah, when the nerve gets exposed, so this stage is very painful. So therefore one should clean the teeth with a brush, and dental floss is a special strong thread which is moved between teeth to take out trapped food particles. At least you should brush your teeth twice a day and rinse the mouth after every meal, right? And also one should not put dirty fingers or any unwashed object in the mouth. So we have learnt about the structure of teeth and the arrangements of teeth and the different types of teeth arranged in the mouth, and how to take care of your teeth we have learned. So let us end up the class here. Let's continue in the next class. Thank you.